Alright, I'm gonna try not to yap too much. Because I just was a yap and I feel like a little too much. But I was, I was trading, fast track trading. And if you've heard of, if you trade, you've probably heard about these guys and how they had like a rug pull type shit. And it's some shit we've just never seen before in this space. So it's pretty crazy to hear about it, let alone be a part of it. I'm trying to get into some, we're looking into some class action lawsuits because they owe me money. They owe a lot of people a lot of money. So, yeah. Um, I'm now trading with Top Step. I'm trying to get some eval accounts funded, and then I'm trading with Tradeify with their instant funding. No major red flags with these companies, and yeah, there were red flags with Top Step, but yeah, I left the other firm I was using, Apex, to trade with these guys. Okay, yeah, this is a lot better. It's only been a minute, but I was trading Apex. They were taking forever to pay out, and I kind of switched. Um, yeah, and I was not diversified, and I was trading fast track trading, and that ended up not being the greatest idea. But during that time, I've gotten a lot better with my trading. So, like I said, it's a skill that you can't take away. You can take accounts away or whatever, all that shit, but I could take any account and I can trade it well because you can't take the skill away. So, that's that, and we're gonna keep going forward. And I'm excited to just keep going with the process. And that's that. Um, I took 3 trades today. One was a small winner, just kind of managed it, break even type of trade, small winner. And I took a nice green trade. And then the third trade I lost, and I feel like I didn't even have to take it because normally when I take a good trade, I don't want to take another trade after that. But I did manage it pretty well, the losing trade as well, so I can show that. And yeah, this is uh this is the process. If you guys have been liking my other videos and supporting me, all the new people, I love you guys so much. And I'll give you my heart out my chest if you fucking support me. And nothing nothing's gonna stop me no matter what it is. This is just another fucking example, a great example of how nothing's gonna stop me. Nothing's gonna stop me. Except for maybe one thing, but there's nothing that's gonna stop me. So, yeah, I can't wait to just get back to the normal trading. And yeah, I'll be showing my first loss. Um, because I do take losses, so ideally I'm not taking like many losses. But I did take a loss today, and I'll upload that. And we're coming on 4 minutes now. I was yapping, but yeah, I'm gonna do a voiceover. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I fucking love you guys. Love you guys.
Probably gonna push right here.
Alright. Okay, so this is the first trade. My voice is all fucked up. I don't know why,
Q's trying to hold
but
it
this is the first trade I took. 599 was
up.
kind of already
No,
marked out on that SPY upside. We kind of had a nice little reaction at the open,
Candle got 30 seconds.
and we kind of broke it a little bit, but I'm waiting for a higher probability entry. Right here is that higher probability entry. Start red
Yeah, I'm
degrading
in that. Stop under this candle.
in that, stop under the low of this current candle.
Simon Says kind of going.
And this is a good example of how I managed a break-even trade.
20s, 25s.
It starts slowing down right here, and it really was just
See the
struggling.
Keep going, bud.
I'm still just fully in. Haven't taken any off.
We'll look to sell.
I was looking to see if we were push higher, and after a couple minutes,
Gotta get above those 20s.
we start finally trying to break the high again.
Hold above the 20s. SPY being strong compared to Qs right here.
And you can see the time in sales is just not really trying to move. Price action still just undecisive.
I'm half off right here.
I took half off right there,
Really was just
and still
hedging.
just the
Qs is
stop on the
weaker
rest of the
too.
contracts is at that around that 599, that entry level, that break even level.
Yeah, stop break even on the rest.
And we ended up just going right back down, and I got out of that. Wasn't trying to mess with it. So like right here, I got out for break even
Yeah.
on the rest.
Alright.
Boom.
I got out of that.
That's the first trade. The second trade is a reversal to the downside.
I'm in that downside right here.
I'm in it.
Let's see.
Time and sales wasn't moving amazing.
90s.
Started kind of moving,
Tape trying to go
but
a
that's
little bit.
type of H.
89s. Just gotta hold on to
Waiting
those
for
90s.
it to hold under the 90s. And once we start holding the under the 90s, it starts dumping pretty good.
Green to red.
You can see the time is still starting to speed up
Tape trying to
on the
go.
top left.
Nice. 75s.
And
Half hour right
get
here.
half hour right there. And then the rest of these contracts,
Let's get that 70s break.
I held till like the 50s.
78s.
Just watching the time and sales.
Tapping the 70s.
There's
Nice.
60s.
60s.
And charts dumping out of the fucking camera.
Waiting for the 60s,
Yeah, we're
50s.
at
50s
50
break.
cent break.
All out.
And then I got fully out right there.
Okay.
I definitely could have
that was a good
optimized
reversal
that a little
trade.
more, but we're still getting back to normal. But that was a good trade. You know, you can never catch the whole move anyways. You can never catch the whole fucking thing every time. But right here, I'm definitely in. I'm in that. And my stop is that line above. I'm short. I'm looking for this 513 downside. And this, like, yeah, I was in this and it didn't feel that great. I was definitely, this was a trade that I feel like I shouldn't have taken if I took any, of the trades that I took today. Out of any of the trades or whatever. And we end up green to redding. Trying for that 513 break. And yeah, it only broke by like 10 cents. It struggled, and then it started going back up, and I got out of it. There's that little break.
That's nothing. Okay.
Yeah, and it struggled right here.
That's nothing.
I was waiting for that 90s to break. Then we started going back above. I gave it a little room to breathe right here. I could have probably got out even sooner, but we go higher, like right here. And I get out of that. So, yeah. That's that third trade. Got out of it right there. So, that's those trades. I hope you enjoyed, and this is a this is just part of the process. Not the greatest day, not the worst day at all. So yeah, we're gonna keep moving forward, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Maybe I don't take a trade, maybe I do, but I'll upload it. And just want to show the process. And I appreciate you guys. I fucking love you guys. And I just want to keep, recording this shit. And because I have a passion for just creating. And yeah, thank you guys. I love you guys. And that's that. Hope you guys have a great day, great night, whatever it is. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.